This is my 2011 Chevy Tahoe Z71 that I'm getting ready to put my new seat covers on. There they are in the vacuum sealed bag. You can see the reason I want the seat covers is there's damage on both seats. The backs are fine, it's just the seat portions on both. There's the driver's side. Like I said, the backs are fine. So now I'm going to get them installed and then I'll finish the video. Okay, I got these seat covers installed. It was relatively easy install, much better than the old seats that had holes in them. Very happy with them. And I found Coverland online when I was Googling for seat covers. One of the main reasons I bought them was because I could get this whole set of covers for less money than I could buy new upholstery just for the bottom of one of my seats. So the dollar value was definitely better. And just to see how comfortable they are, I'm gonna hop inside. So far so good. I'm happy with them. Thank you, Coverland.
Hello, this is Mike. I just purchased a 2025 Hyundai Tucson Limited Hybrid, and I wanted to protect the seats for the rest of its life. I usually keep these about 10 years. So I thought the best thing to do was get Coverland. I saw an ad on Facebook, scratch resistant, breathable. I've got breathable seats. I need breathable covers. So I've already installed one on the passenger side just to see if I like them, and I really do. They look great. The color matched perfectly. So I'm going to do this seat, tell you how long it took, and then we'll do a review afterwards. A few minutes later, took about 5 minutes. Looks pretty dang on good. I like it. The color fits, ventilated. I've got a dog. That'll be perfect. Let's see. Here's the back of them. Not bad at all. I kind of like them.
Hi, my name is Sandra, and this is my 2023 Honda CR-V, and I'm here to critique purchasing the iCover car seats. These are the front seats, and we're going to go to the back, and here are the back seats. I like the design. They're sleek, and they've actually made my car look a little fancier. They were easy to put on, and it's easy to get in and out without having my seats sliding. I was worried about my heated seats, but that works fine with them. Hi, I'm sitting in my 2023 CR-V, and I would like to say I love them. They look high end. I got the full set, which included the front seats and the rear. It looks so nice from the outside. They were easy to install. This is the back. The reason I purchased these was because I have two pets, as you can see with my car seat there for them. And they like to get their little muddy paws on them. My previous covers slid from side to side. I like these. They even go well with my heated seats. It looks great. And I would suggest or recommend this to everyone.
2013 GMC Sierra 2500. Hello, my name is Steve, and my wife bought a set of these seat covers for her 2020 Subaru Outback last month. And she'd found them on Facebook and had good reviews on them. I was hesitant, but when we got them, the ease of installation and the quality of the seat cover was so good, and I loved them so much, she bought me this set for my birthday. And I am 74 years old. I put these on. It took less than 15-20 minutes to install them. Installation was quite easy, even for me. I had no problem. They fit good. They're comfortable. I would highly recommend them. All the reviews that we read were excellent, and everything so far has been good. This is a 2013 GMC Sierra 2500. So they fit my truck perfect.
This is a 2013 Volkswagen Jetta Sportwagen, and as you can see, we live on a farm, and the white interior of this car and 6 farm dogs do not go well together. We just installed the Coverland seat covers in black to cover up the white interior. I think they look pretty classy. Really nice design to them, and no more white. Back seat, again, very classy look. And we got some pockets on the back of the driver and passenger seats. See if they hold up to our biggest dog, who's 140 pounds. Hammer, let up. Good boy. Oh, that's the smallest one too. Let's see here. Supposed to be scratch resistant. Not seeing any scratches.
All right, so this is my 2020 Ram. The only thing this truck didn't have was the leather seats. As you can see, the seats are really nice, but I really need leather seats. I have 2 dogs and they go with me everywhere, and I haven't been able to take them anywhere in my new truck because their hair sticks to everything. So I really wanted some nice leather seats. I saw the videos on Facebook. They look like they fit. The cover seats, the Coverland seats are, you know, they look like they come with the truck. So I was excited to buy them. We'll see what they look like after I put them in there. All right, guys, I just finished installing the Coverland seats. So let's see what you think. They look beautiful. They fit nice, snug. They look great. There it is. I think they came out really nice.
This is my 2005 Volvo V50. Overall, the car is in great condition, but the front seats are not. The driver's seat has tears in the synthetic leather, and the cloth portion of the seat is stained and hard to clean. The passenger seat also has stains and a black pin mark that won't come out. I've been wanting to buy seat covers for quite some time now to make the front seats of my car look new again, but I was always reluctant to purchase them because I thought that they wouldn't fit well and make the seats look sloppy. I found Coverland seat covers while searching the internet for custom seat covers for my 2005 Volvo V50. Coverland seat covers were very easy to install and the fit is excellent. Material looks and feels great, and the lower lumbar support is a nice added feature that's also very comfortable. I'm very happy with the quality of the Coverland seat covers and would recommend them to anyone looking for high quality, well-made seat covers that are custom fit to your exact vehicle.
This is my 2015 Kia Optima SX. I'm going to be installing some seat covers today. I'm going to show you, what it looks like before and after. What prompted me to get these Coverland seat covers was I'm tired of getting cheap seat covers and they never last that long. So I decided to just get some better ones, so hopefully these Coverland covers will work out. I discovered these Coverland covers on Amazon. They had good ratings, so I decided to give it a try. So I'm going to be putting them on. This is before the seat covers. There's one thing I would tell a friend to convince them to purchase a Coverland seat. It would definitely be easy installation. It's very simple. It's very straightforward, and I would definitely help a friend. If I were to have would be the fitment and the quality. And the quality is very good, very top notch. And the fitment was, again, very easy, very simple to install.
This is my 2024 GMC Sierra 1500. Bought it new with cloth seats and try to upgrade the seating. This is how the seats look before. Just finished up installing my new seat covers. Wanted to give you a video. They look almost factory without the extra expense. Fit and quality look good. I really like the extra padding. Helps the back and for longer trips. I think it'll be nice. I originally only bought the front seats, but I think I'm going to order the back seat to cover the full bench seat in the back. This is how they look completely installed. Walk around the back. Fit and finish is very nice. The extra padding is really nice. So far, great fit, not shifting when sliding in and out of the vehicle. Nice upgrade.
Hi folks, I'm Rob in sunny Florida. Got a Dodge Ram 1500 2004 with a new Hemi in it, and it needs some seat covers, as you can see. This is Rob in Florida again, and I just wanted to let you see how my seats look and that they're very nice. I'm very glad I got these seats. and I'm happy with them.
Would you buy them again?
Yes, I would buy them again.
Today I am doing a review on the Coverland seat covers. This is my 2018 Buick Regal Sportback. These are the original cloth seats, and I will be installing these today. They came really well packaged. The material seems really well. Alright, I just finished up the install here of the seat covers. This is the back seat. Everything went pretty well. They are pretty comfortable, more padded than the original. I give it a thumbs up. My name's Cody. I ordered these Coverland seat covers. I would recommend them to a friend. Actually, I already have. He was looking at them to see if they were available for his car, which if you go on their website, there are several options for different makes and models. So I think you all will be very pleased with these seat covers. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks. Bye.
This is a 2020 Chevy Equinox. Hi, I want to tell you about the new Coverland seat covers that I received. I wanted to get seat covers because I don't want my seats to get stained and icky, wrecked and whatnot. And I thought this would be a good solution to take care of that. I didn't want what like Walmart and AutoZone. I didn't want those type of ones, nor did I want to spend a whole bunch of money either for like $800, right? So when I got these, as soon as I pulled them out of the box, I knew that they were going to be perfect. I love them. They feel good. They've got pockets in the front and in the back as well. So I wanted to show you these new Coverland seat covers that I got. So I came across Coverland on a Facebook pop-up. I researched everything. I checked into everything. And I think what got me was the 10-year warranty. That is pretty awesome.
This is my review for the 2024 Ford F-150 double cab four-wheel drive. Ordered the front seat covers for both passenger and driver's side. Love them so far. Everything is great. Hi, I just wanted to give my review of my seat covers. Just got them installed. It had cloth seats, and this will be a work truck, so I wanted to try to keep it as clean as possible. The top part, super comfy, will clean and wipe off super easy. Very, very comfortable. You have a front pocket here, one in the back. I'm super pleased to make the seats even more comfortable than they already were. And I'm super excited to sit and ride in them for a longer period of time since this is something new, and see how much better this makes the truck seats last and hold up. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Don, and this is my 2023 Nissan Rogue. I took it to the car wash yesterday. The outside looks really nice. The inside, not so much. Check it out, my new Coverland seats. Beautiful. So much better than before. And with a 10-year warranty, they'll last a long time, and they're very comfortable. Now the inside and the outside of my car looks really nice. I totally recommend Coverland seat covers. Here is the back side of the Coverland seat covers. Very nice material, nice deep storage pockets on both seats, and they look really nice. I think these will last a long time. They fit really nice, very comfortable, very padded. Got a nice lumbar support. I really like them. I can't wait to take a long trip because I think it'll be really comfortable driving. Check out Coverland seats. I think you'll really like them.
Here are my seats for my 2021 Tacoma before my seat covers. I love my Tacoma, but man, these seats stain so easily, and that's why I've decided to get the covers. Great truck, terrible seats. All right, they're all installed. They fit perfectly. My Coverland seat covers, perfect fit. I'm loving them. Looking good. Perfectly all the way down. Looks like they almost came from the factory like this. Perfect fit. Very happy.
Hi, my name is Richie, and this is my 2024 Jeep Gladiator. It's a base model, and I decided to upfit it myself, and I'm not a big fan of cloth seats. So I did a Google search on the web, and I came up with Coverland, and they got a lot of good reviews, and I decided, let me give them a shot. And once I get them installed, I'll give you guys a nice opinion as to what I think in terms of fit, finish, and quality. Well, the covers are in, and the install was fairly easy. It took about a half hour. and they fit pretty good for the money. So as you can see, the front seats look pretty good. The fit looks pretty good for something that's not custom and goes in so quickly, and the quality looks pretty good as well. As you can see, the back is pretty decent. I think it'll serve its purpose. It'll protect the seats, and the material feels pretty durable. So I think it was a pretty good purchase.
I'm Tegan Jeffries, and this is my review of Coverland's seat covers. This is a 2015 Camry LE. It's a silver model, driver's side door, and you'll get a look. It's a big transformation for my car. I originally had gray cloth. I originally went with the black feature. I thought it would accommodate my interior well. I have a triple tone black, wood, and tan or gray color. Originally, what had got my attention on these is just by searching up seat covers on Google. They were one of the top ones I recommended after looking at the designs of different companies. I really like this one. You can see all the different stitch patterns. It's got, you know, a bunch of folds here. It really stands out and brings a lot of detail to the car. If I had to convince a friend to purchase some seat covers, I definitely recommend getting these. I'd say they're very cushiony, very soft. I had to take a drive about an hour and a half. Usually my old seats, I get a little butt cramps, but this was a pretty comfy ride. No issues at all. They look very slick, and it was a very easy process to put the front seats on. So if you guys were just wanting to get some front seats, it'd be a very easy installation. It really looks like there's no seat covers on. It's all hidden very well. Great design, great quality leather too. The stitching is awesome. It really is a big transition from what I used to have. You'll see in the before photos of how much the cars came along.
Infiniti 2003. You can see now my wife and me, we get the new covers from Coverland, and this is the way they look. Very easy to put on. And then in the back, my wife was the person who put the seats back here in the back. Okay. The trees, and that was by Coverland. Okay. Very excellent. Thank you.
Coverland seat covers installed on 2004 Toyota Solara. This is the driver's side. The color was just perfect for our application. We could have used a darker color, but the lighter color actually brightens it up some, and it matches the interior very well. The seat covers have a really nice back on them. They're very easy to install. There's pockets. You can put anything you want. There's also a front pocket for your phone. It's a picture on the inside of the car. Like I say, we just did the front seat. Turned out very, very well. But I think we'll be real tickled with this and won't have to worry about the little kids making a mess if they grow up to the point of getting in the front. They've actually turned out very well. I would definitely recommend them to somebody else. Anyone that wanted to use them, I think it would be a smart thing to do. The installation process went very, very good, exactly like they described it. And I don't think we're going to have any problems with it.